hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
What's up guys, and welcome back to a new value packed video here with Patrik Tibor. I'm your host today, and in this video I'm going to teach you the simple steps to create a website that actually convert the traffic you get. So let's just jump straight into the juice. In this video we're going to talk about brand colors. We're going to talk about what banner is, why banners is going to create a whole different vibe in your website, and why this is one of the tricks the big brands use to dominate the website and e-com space. And last but not least, we're going to talk about the product page. And be sure to wait until the end, because we're going to go shoot through 3 main tips that you generally have to really pay attention to when creating a website in 2022. So the first thing is, as I said, is the color and font. In general, you don't even need to try. You have to have the same font throughout the whole fucking page. The same is with the colors. You have to have maximum 3 colors, and for the most part only stick to 2 colors if you can, because 2 colors is the most important thing to have throughout the website to make it look simple but yet very brandy and classy. So stick to 1 font, stick to 2 colors max. If you have to do something, use 3. That can be a hover function, turns green if you don't have green already. So 3 maximum, but try to stick to 2. And simple is really more. Just visit Nike, Adidas, Apple. It's so clean, so few colors, and they have the same font all over the fucking webpage. These two things will alone differentiate your brand from all the shitty ass dropshipping pages people seeing every single day pop up in front of their eyes. So this is very important, guys. The next part is the banner. As I told you guys, this is something I made like in 1 minute in Canva. It's just going to show you very simple what I mean. This should be, if you are a fitness store, something in this fucking vicinity right here, something like this, maybe a little bit more creative. But put this as your header, your banner, somewhere on your page, and things that looks similar to this. This will give your page a whole vibe that you are a much huger brand that you actually is. You can get everything I used to edit and fix this banner, so say, on Canva for around $12 a month. So Canva is a must-have. I'm gonna leave some links in the description right now. So Canva definitely is a must-have app to create banners for your website. So again, visit Nike, Adidas, the major brands, and look at the banners they have. The banners is actually what makes the whole website looks very stunning and much more professional than, again, the dropshipping stores you come over every single day on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. So the last thing is your product page. A very important part of the website, if not the most important part of the website, is the actual product page. In most cases, you're running ads directly to the product page and not the home page. So this is actually your landing page. What you should include in your product page is, of course, you have to think about the pictures. The pictures have to be in the right format. They have to be cropped right so it don't slow down the website. And it has to be crystal clear pictures. And also very think of your pictures. You have to take pictures of all the angles of your products. Things people have to and want to see about your product. Take picture of that, not just only the original, simple, clean straightforward pictures and post that on a gray background. So an important thing to think of when you have a website, people cannot touch the product, test it on, whatever, so you are selling it with the pictures. You can match this up when you go into a restaurant. You have maybe 20 things to pick between, but you only have 5 pictures of the main dishes they really want to sell you. Which one are you going to pick like 8 out of 10 times? Most likely ones with the picture, because the picture sells you before you taste it. The same goes with the website. Also, if you want to have a video, it takes a lot of the website speed, so you can create a GIF of your product with, if it's some way you have to show how it functions, in any way how to use the product, you can simply create a GIF and it don't take any more space than a simple picture. The next thing is the description. I want to here again give you 2 tips. The first is to go to the major websites and look at their description. Nike is not too good with the description because they're Nike and it's just a simple T, but go to other big brands and look at the descriptions of the product, and you're going to see that they are very serious and very detailed when it comes to the product description. This is also what's going to sell the customers before they actually touch it and feel it. It's always something we talk about here at Onlinetrap, is giving value to the customers, and giving value to customers is by providing as much information about the product you're selling them as humanly possible in a sexy way. So the next tip here with the description is to go to, say, 3 to 5 people selling the exact same product that you are. Look at their description, take a general average of all the 5 and write something yourself. This is a good way to get creative, and also of course not copy them, but a way for you to see how to make a description. The last little pro tip of the description is to go to Amazon and look up your product and see all of the bad reviews and all of the good reviews, and try to answer those in your description as well. This will give you a huge advantage when you're writing a description. Next 2 quick things is the trust badge. Tell them is free shipping, or is 14, 30 days money back guarantee, whatever it is. You have 1 year warranty and you have a secure checkout. Put that up in a very simple and classy way on your product page, just to remind the customers of your warranties, your shipping time, and your guarantees. Very important. The last thing is a 1-click upsell. When the product is being bought, they have bought it, they're in buy mode, you have the credit information, offer them the same product for 20-25% off, or a product that are directly connected with them. Say you're selling shoes, then you can upsell them with shoe cleaner directly, just with a 1-click buy now, add it to your order, smoke, you have just increased your order value by 35%, and that's huge. So the last pro tips I just want to throw in there at the end is that you have to have your legal info on your website, like your company name, your contact information and address. Stuff like this is for your payment providers, but as well for your customers to know that you're fully doxed and you're not hiding behind a brand. You're really here to show them you're here to stay. This is our headquarters, and this is our information. Very important. The next thing is to have live chat support on your website. You can do this with many apps. Going to leave some in the description down below. We are not affiliated with none of them. We have used them before for ourselves and clients, and have general good experience with them. This is a bot that can answer people in a live chat, answer some of your FAQ, stuff like that. And as well, when you're scaling, you should outsource it to a third world country to take over your customer service, so you have email support and live chat support 7 days a week, all the time. Very important. The last thing, we talked a little bit about it already, is the website speed. In general, websites in Europe takes around 9 to 5 seconds to load, and people have an attention span of around 1.5 seconds. So if your website takes over 2 seconds to load, you lose 50% of all your traffic. Every second that keeps on going will lose you 50% more of that traffic. So it's crucial to get your loading time down under 2 seconds. And I just wanted to wrap up with that. legal information, live chat support, and your website speed. If you like the content, guys, if you got any type of value from this, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are Onlinetrap. We are a community that tries to build young and every age hustlers out there to have a hub to come to get information, get the support to reach their dreams, reach the goals. And that is why Onlinetrap was created. So please, if you fuck with the content, like, subscribe, and join our Discord. The link is down below. We are a growing group, sharing our thoughts, motivating each other, and it would be insane heavy to have you there as well. And it's also a place where I reply to every DM, and it's also a way for you to have an e-com agency at your disposal 24/7, 100% for free. We're in Q4, guys, so it's important to boss up now. Don't lose out on that opportunity. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video. And as always, find your hustle, make your money, so you can do whatever the fuck you want to do in your life. Hustle away, guys.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game. Take the